thinking about going back to the skills of the operations side, and we can't have a conversation these days without AI. I'm curious, where do you see AI fitting into the picture of operations? And maybe you don't. I mean, it might be too early days where, a lot of companies have tech debt and they're not able to adopt AI like they talk about it, but they're not there yet. But how are you viewing AI, especially relative to a RevOps role? Like, where does it fit in or not fit in the future?
I'll say, to me, it's still part of the tech solution available in a repository, because AI needs to ingest something to spit out the output, right? So it's still the same concept of garbage in, garbage out. So that's definitely one. And also, everyone talks about AI, but that's just a piece of technology. We need to actually think about use case and what we are trying to achieve by leveraging AI. Yeah, like I've been approached by so many AI companies trying to trying to sell me. No, AI can solve this and that and that and that. And that actually made me think, like, yes, all so cool, but I have this much of limited budget and limited time and resources. I cannot burn out myself. I cannot burn out my team, etc. I cannot go get all these AI tools and do the cool things. Like, I still need to figure out what's the best, the biggest needle mover. That kind of mentality, mindset is still like applicable from the, say, pre-AE world. So that's how I'm seeing. Having said that, AI has helped me a little bit here and there too. Like, one use case, and I laughed so much because I come from marketing ops, but I hate writing emails, especially after doing like spreadsheet or like like automation, logic building, that kind of brain usage is done. I cannot, sorry, write even one sentence sometimes. So I just like drop my thought into the AI solutions and like, yeah, can we make it into the pretty email? I do it here and there. The other thing I do here and there is, like, I want to achieve this kind of automation logic and challenge me what I'm missing. Or here is the things like I'm pretty sure would happen and how can I mitigate the risk, that kind of things. Not just like build me this stuff, but more like use it like a sounding board, so to speak. That's been pretty useful for me so far. Yeah.